G'day folks. Beautiful, beautiful Friday afternoon here in Adelaide. I've just been out for a rip snorter of a walk, and I had to adjust my chain the other day, and I did what you always would do. I came along here to loosen this up, or loosen this, loosen that, but this I could get undone, but this, the bolt was seized and it would not budge. It couldn't turn it anyway. So I did a bit of a Google, and apparently it's quite a common problem with these CRFs. Googling found that it's a common problem with a lot of bikes, and so what I did, because it was on this side, I didn't have to do a lot. So I took that off, pushed the axle through, and with a lot of WD-40 I was able to put that through there and loosen it off and work it in and out multiple times, and it works as good as new again. The other side is okay. I also went down to Honda and let them have a look, and he agreed that was a good way, and also applying heat under here, which I don't have. But that got me thinking, if this happened while I was out riding, I had a flat, and I couldn't adjust this, I wouldn't be able to get the wheel off, because this has got to come forward, you know, quite a bit to push the wheel and get it out. Get the chain off, you know what I mean. So I thought, on my push bikes years ago, I used to have multiple chains and I used to replace them and pull them off and clean them. I should probably have some gadget, a chain breaker, shouldn't I, if that sort of thing happened. But anyway, it's all working now, and then mechanic suggested I apply some kind of never seize product to the bolt. So what I'm going to do, not now, is take this wheel out and do the other side, put this never seize, but it's actually pretty good now. It's got WD-40 on there. So yeah, if you got a CRF250, 300 I assume would be the same, and according to the mechanic at Honda, he said, yep, it happens. Common problem, and generally easily fixed if it's not seized completely. Alright, that's it. Bye for now.